Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the brand new Wild West lantern and fix it. So in this latest update, you can get the new lantern for free by completing the quest. First, just head over to Copper Canyon mines like this, and then after that, just go to the Nervous Prospector, and then just talk to him, and then just tap on lantern for the dark like this, and then in here you can get the quest. You need to fish up 3 gold and 2 metals in this copper canyon. So just equip your rod and then just start fishing on this area until you can get the gold and metals. It might take a few moments depending on your luck, so just stay consistent and keep going until you get this gold and metal. And once you have collected all 3 gold and 2 metal, just head back to the NPC and then just talk to him again to claim the rewards. And you will instantly receive the wild west lantern that looks like this. Like this, you can see it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.